Okay, so this is Voltron. I don't know what the restrictions are. Let's go and have a look at the restrictions. So many elements to this. Voltron needs to be 1.3 meters and 8 years old. Restriction. Sensory. It's like the Hyperion restraint, same as the Blue Fire Mega Coaster. So it's an overhead lap bar one, really comfortable. There is a test seat at the front. All the test seats seem to be supervised by the ride attendants, which is good.
We did again capture some footage, but we've not been able to sort of vlog those because the ride attendant's been sort of supervising. But we have tried to include some footage of the test seats.
Yeah.
But yeah, really comfortable ride.